I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look. You can see it. It took me about 15 minutes. It shouldn't take you more than that. I don't do a full beat in this look. I usually don't wear full face of makeup or foundation. It's just not for me, but it'll take longer depending on how much more makeup you add. I'm going to go ahead and make this a voiceover, so you guys will hear my voice in a little bit. Enjoy the video. So we're going to start by using some concealer. I'm currently using NYX's HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color Caramel. I'm using this under my eyes to brighten and lift, as well as under my eyebrows, so that I don't have to do so much work with filling them in and adding color or anything else. And I'm also going to add it on a few of my dark spots that I've gotten from recent acne breakouts. It's such an annoyance, but it's okay because I've got makeup to fix it. Wow, look at that magic. We're already on our brows and we haven't even blended. Just kidding, we're gonna get back to blending later, but I don't even know what eye product I'm using because I've had this for so long that the top of it is missing. I just know I'm using a medium dark color for my brows, and I'm just using a small angled brush to kind of get that nice shape and really elongating my tail, because the last time I got my eyebrows threaded, this chick took off half of my tail. Comment below if you've been there, done that, had that issue, and what did you do to fix it? And how did you grow your eyebrow hairs back fuller? So now going in with my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use like a burnt orange type of color around my crease and just kind of going into my under eye just a bit. I'm going to follow that up with a brighter orange across my lid mixed in with a transition shade, and this is just going to lighten it up and give it that glowing orange that we claim in the title. So you just want to blend those out until the color is most satisfying to you. It's really personalized based on however you want to wear your orange eyeshadow. So right now I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black, and I'm just going to do a simple cat eye, you know, whatever really fits your eye or whatever you prefer. How you usually do your eyeliner is going to work perfectly for this eye because it's not too commanding and it doesn't demand a lot of attention. So whatever works for you is going to work for this look. So now for my mascara, I'm going to use Superhero by IT Cosmetics in Super Black. I love this mascara. Oh my gosh, I just started using it and it makes my eyelashes look so nice and thick and long. It's just, I love it. I love it. I'm gonna end up buying a full-size one because I actually only have the trial size. So I'm lining my lips with a NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This one is in the color Club Hopper. I love this color. And I'm actually going to be pairing it with the Slip Tease Lip Gloss in the color Urban Oasis. This color is actually pretty light for me, so I used the really dark lip liner to get it to be a nice nude color for me so that it's not making my lips look like they don't belong to my face. To finish off my look, I'm just going to add a bit of highlighter. This is going to be the same powder that I used on my inner eye, like on my tear duct and on my brow bone to get a nice highlighted color, and it all Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This eye look can go any way with any color. I just chose orange because it's summery and it works perfect for fall, so you can use it in either one. Especially at night for both, it looks really great, and you just add a bit of a darker color to make it a little more nighttime appropriate. But it's a really simple look to do. It's really easy, it's really fun, and you can always just do it really quickly in 15 minutes if you don't have a lot of time to get ready. So again, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me so I have more content to work off of. I've already got some other ideas in the works, but I want to make sure that it's stuff that you guys want me to be making as well and stuff you guys want to see.